Nate in your state.
All right, so I'm here in Chicago, Illinois, and one of my goals that I'm going to do is try a deep dish pizza. Now, I actually have the liberty of getting myself a deep dish pizza, and though I know you guys want to see me at a restaurant, fear not, I'm going to a restaurant, but I'm trying to get a base taste of what I should expect in Chicago-style stuffed pizza. So I ordered from Seamless, some restaurant. Where are we going? Where are we at? I ordered from Tapia's Pizza and Grill, and I just said, okay, let me get a basic taste of what it is, so when I actually go to the big dogs, I know what type of flavor to expect. You know, the same thing with New York, you know. Well, before I went to other pizza spots, I had to try my hood first. I said, all right, I have a basic taste of what pizza, New York style pizza should taste. Let me go try the other ones. And I was like, okay. So here we have the stuffed pizza. My goodness, it is stuffed indeed. It's like, I'm looking like, where do I grab it? Because, you know, I'm so used to eating with my hands right away. And as we can see right here, as we can see right here, this is thick indeed. Holy smacks! Oh man! Oh my gosh! Look! Oh my goodness! It is calling to me. It's a very soft bite. It's a very soft, satisfying bite. I have onions. No, I have mushrooms, green peppers, and ground beef in it. So I am tasting the flavors and other toppings as I'm biting into it. But hold on. Let me do it now. I must say this is incredibly cheesy. The thing I have though is the bottom. I think the bottom's a little too tough. You know, it's like, you know, like New York style pizza, where if the bottom is like a little tough, it's crunchy though, and you can like chew it and eat it. But I have a whole bunch of residue all over my face, but I love that. Shows how sloppy of an eater I am. So yeah, this you can see that it's like as if it is a pie sort of a thing, but it's like tough, you know? It doesn't really break free easily, but it's not bad, you know? It's just strange. Because the top is soft, the bottom is hard like a pie. And it's not as chewy as I expected. But this is basic understanding, so I can get to register the taste in my mouth. So, yeah. Stuffed pizza, Chicago style. Finally got to try one. It reminds me actually a lot like Pizza Hut. I think it might be the peppers, but the taste is nostalgic to Pizza Hut. And I think it has to do with the marinara sauce and the peppers. The peppers are nice and juicy. Yeah, I mean juicy, because you actually feel that. And the mushrooms as well, but it's very reminiscent to like a Pizza Hut style pie. The crust tastes cakey. I don't know how to explain it. It's like you're biting into like cake or something. You know, like how you have New York style crust, and it's like kind of like. How do I explain it? It's like the crust has like air in it. And it's like you're actually chewing bread. This is like you're actually chewing like cake or something. Like a loaf of bread, actually. I mean, I'm too used to New York style pizza, so it's not a good thing, not a bad thing sort of thing. But this is Chicago style, so who am I to say your pizza ain't nothing? I mean, it's still good. The sauce is actually pretty nice. Okay. One thing I have to add as well is that surprisingly, like unlike New York style pizza where you get it's oily, this is actually not as oily. I mean, you can see some of the oil on my fingertips, but it's not dripping and oozing oil. So I give them props for that because not everybody wants so much oil in their system.